Are you ready to transform your life? Imagine earning a sustainable income online. Today, let's explore the Online Business Income Accelerator. This book is your guide to success. It breaks down strategies for building a thriving online business. Each chapter offers step-by-step instructions. You'll learn how to identify profitable niches. Then, discover effective marketing techniques. Next, understand how to create engaging content. This content attracts your target audience effortlessly. Let's discuss real-world examples. Many entrepreneurs have changed their lives using this book. They went from struggling to thriving. They implemented these proven strategies and saw results. In just a few months, they built successful online businesses. Imagine where you could be in that time. The Online Business Income Accelerator is your roadmap. It leads to financial freedom and entrepreneurial success. Don't wait. Download your copy today and start your journey. Unlock your potential now.